Hi guys, this is Mick from Merch Factor. Just want to do a quick video on a new updates of Merch Automator. We added in two new platforms, Redbubble and Spreadshirt. So I just want to go over quickly how easily it is to scale your designs across to these platforms. When you open the software, you can see there's some new tabs up the top here. So you click on Redbubble. Just go and click the go to Redbubble and it'll take you to Redbubble sign-in page. So you just need to sign in there, which I'll do right now. Okay, once you're signed in, the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got some templates set up, because the software uses templates. I'm just going to get rid of these two designs which I'm using as a demo. Just delete those out. So we've got test design here. All we did for that is upload a design if you've got a new account. If you've got an old account, then you can possibly skip this because you might have a template already set up. So you want to go through all these products and make sure everything's lined up how you want your designs to line up. On all the products that you want them on. So you just go through and do that for everything. Change the size, just get it set up how you want your designs to show on what products you want them to show on. I'm not going to go through and do them all here. You should get the idea. So go through each one. Once you've done that, make sure you click which media type you want. Choose the default image view that you want. You want to show t-shirts, or depending on what you might be doing, if you're doing pillowcases or something like that, then you might want to change this to pillowcases. So I'll put this on t-shirt and hoodies. It's not mature content, anybody can buy it. So we click save work. So that's the template set up for what we're going to use right now for our t-shirt designs, and I'm going to put it across everything that's available there. Okay, we go back to our portfolio. The little gear icon here, click it, then click copy, and this is the URL we want right here. So just place that into the software, into this box here that says enter template URL below. Next step is to grab your CSV file. So before that, we'll go into what the CSV file looks like. So this is the Redbubble CSV file. There's 5 columns here. The first column is a niche keyword. So this is used for generating tags. So the software will find the top tags for your keyword or niche keyword. So you can use those to add to your current tags or to replace your tags if you wanted to. So it works best if you can do a bit of a generic keyword, because if it's too specific you might not find anything, but you can still try that also. So for this example, I've just got a horse design, so I've just put a horse in here. Title is the next one, so you put your title in there. Description. Tags, it's always best to write out your own tags that describe your design, and then get the software to generate some on top tags just to add on top of that also. And then you've got image, so that's obviously where you're going to pull your image from to upload. So choose your file, upload it into the software. It's going to tell you it's ready to upload. Now we've got a couple of options here we'll go over. First one is auto generate tags. So if you click auto generate tags, the software is going to go out and generate tags as it submits for you. So let's try this first. We've got a manual mode. So if you click that, click save, you see the buttons down here should change, and you've only got a submit design, so you can just manually submit. If you click auto generate tags, you're going to get a table that opens up over here. So the software is going to give you back the tags, so you can go through it over here. So I'll give you an example. Each design you go through, this will be in manual mode, click get tags. So the software is going to go gather the tag data. When it's done that, it's going to come back and give us a list of tags that it's found. It's only going to give back a maximum of 50. Right, so we've got the tags back. Change this to 50 so we can see them all in this table here. We can delete out ones, so this is obviously a big one that they've collected, and the person who put this in did not put commas, so that's why it's like that. So go through and we can tick the box here with the ones we don't want, and we can click delete and they'll get deleted out. We can also add some in here. Alright, so just type in this box and click add, and you can add your own tags. When you're happy with that, you'll click submit design. Okay, the software is going to go and use that template to submit your design. So you'll see it put the title in a minute. Okay, let's just put the title in, the tags. Okay, I'm not going to let it run all the way through. I'll just stop it. So that's a good feature to have here. So it'll pull in your tags you already have in your CSV file and then add to it what it found on the top designs. So then you can just go through and delete out the ones you don't want or add some more in. So once you turn manual mode off, you're going to come back to these buttons here. You can submit as many as you want. Now auto generate tags is on. Software will just go and grab tags and submit automatically as it goes along for each design using the keyword that you put in the column here. So it's always good to fill out as many of your own tags as you can, and then just use this as a complementary, so it will only do up to 50 tags. So if your CSV file has 20 tags and you have auto generate tags on, then it's going to take the next top 30 tags and add those on, so you end up with 50 tags. So let's just do an auto submit here. So the software is going to go and grab those tags. It does take a few seconds for the software to go through and look for the tags. Okay, it's found the tags, now it's uploading. We'll enter the title and the tags once it's finished uploading the design. Entering all the tags that I found. Enter the description and then it will just submit because it's already using a template that you've set out, so it makes it really quick, so you can upload quite a lot of designs quite quickly. But Redbubble does have a limit on how many designs per day you can upload. There we go. It's uploaded. It should head and start the next one. And if we had to put 2 in there, it would have started to go to the next one. But if there's more you put in there, it'll head on to the next one, so you get the idea of how that works there. So that's all there is to it. Very much the same as Merch by Amazon, but for Redbubble. You can get all the template files by clicking this button, or watch tutorials by clicking this button here. Spreadshirt, much the same. Click to go to Spreadshirt and it'll go to Spreadshirt ready for you to log in. If you hit this and turn this Spreadshirt DE to on, it's going to go and log into the DE site, so it does both. I'm going to go and log in here. Okay, once you're logged into Spreadshirt, you're going to get to a page like this. And much like the Redbubble, it uses a template file also. To get a template file in Spreadshirt, you need to come into a previous design that you've uploaded, and you need to go through and edit all these products. Turn on whatever it is you want to turn on, and then go through and change all the colors to however you like it. And here you want to click Save Template, save it as test design. You want to copy it because you're going to use it in the software. Okay, now we click Load Template. We've got a test, that's our template here. So you want to put that into Merch Automator, and you want it's got to be spelled the same, all capitals in the right spot. So the software knows which one to choose, and then you just upload a file, much like Redbubble. Okay, and this also has tags and manual mode. Okay, so when you turn on auto generate tags, it will have a translate option here. So if you're in DE, it'll translate English to German, so you can get some German tags. We'll show you the CSV file, looks very similar. So this is a CSV file for Spreadshirt. It's exactly the same, and it works the same way with the keywords, titles, tags, images, except there's an extra column for price. So this is the margin you want to make on your products. So save that. Yep, so we're not doing Germany, so we don't need to turn this on. We're not doing manual mode because you looked at that previously in Redbubble, so it works exactly the same here. You're going to get a table that opens here, so we turn that off. So we're going to submit 2 designs here, and we're going to auto generate tags. So submit design. Software is going to go and gather some tags. Also use the same tags from your CSV file. Image will get uploaded. It'll choose the right template file that you set. Move on to the next stage, which is descriptions. Delete out all the tags in there, put your tags in. So the spreadsheet only takes up to 25 tags. Oops. Okay, so it's moved on to the next design. Uploading. So it's moved on, it's got the tags for this design. It's uploading a new design, it's waiting for it. It says being processed, which sometimes Spreadshirt does that. Moving on, selecting the template. And it's showing this because I've got a new test account, which I will have to fix up later, but for now you get the idea of how it works. It'll just go in and keep submitting designs until it's finished. And that's all there is to it. It's an easy way for you to automate your process of adding new designs to these new platforms. I've been having good success with Redbubble and Spreadshirt, so it's really worth spreading your designs, taking your designs from Merch by Amazon and putting it on those 2 platforms. So I hope you found this video helpful, and any questions, feel free to contact via the Facebook page. Thank you.